Welcome to this lesson, and to sketch this cubic, the first thing I'm going to do is find the y-intercept by letting x equal 0, and subbing in x equals 0, I get y equals 0 bracket. It doesn't really matter what's in the brackets because 0 times anything is 0, but I'll put the numbers in, 1 and minus 1, and of course that equals 0. So therefore the point 0, 0 is the y-intercept, in other words the origin. X-intercept, let y equals 0, and 0 equals x bracket x plus 1, x minus 1. And I can either use the null factor law here, which in fact I will, so either x is 0, and there's our first x-intercept, or x plus 1 equals 0, so x plus 1 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. Solving x plus 1 equals 0, I get x equals minus 1, and solving this one here, I get x equals 1. So there are the three x-intercepts, and now it's just a matter of sketching the graph. So the graph either goes like that or it goes like that. And I'm going to pick a number that is bigger than x equals 1, x equals 10, and I'm going to sub it into the equation, and I get y equals 10 bracket 10 plus 1 is 11 bracket 10 minus 1 is 9, and that equals 990. Therefore the point 10 comma 990 belongs to the graph, which is up in this quadrant here somewhere, and because that's past or further more positive than x equals 1, which is the intercept, the graph must be heading up into this corner here. And it's just a matter of drawing the graph now, like such, and marking in the intercept, so minus 1 there, and 1 here, and 0 here. And one other way that you can find out which way the graph goes is to look at the x terms in the equation, and then all you have to do is multiply them together. So x times x times x is x cubed. That's positive x cubed. And because you get a positive x cubed term, it means that the graph is heading up into this positive quadrant here. If you had negative x cubed, by multiplying those three terms, so say you had an example where that happened, it would mean the graph would be heading down into here, into this bottom quadrant here, being a negative x cubed type graph. So that's the other way of doing it. And this way is generally a bit quicker, so it's easier to spot. Not as you don't have to do a calculation for it. That's what I'm trying to say. So it's the 5th or 6th time I've tried this video today. I think I've got it this time. I hope that's all clear to you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.